Hello children, we have done numbers till 1 to 50 and we did in our previous class what comes after 41 to 50. Today we are going to do what comes in between 41 to 50. But before doing that we will do the counting. हम what comes in between करने से पहले एक बारी numbers को revise करेंगे 1 to 50. Every child should revise numbers every day 1 to 50. Okay, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20, 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30, 3, 1, 31, 3, 2, 32, 3, 3, 33, 3, 4, 34, 3, 5, 35, 3, 6, 36, 3, 7, 37, 3, 8, 38, 3, 9, 39, 4, 0, 40, 4, 1, 41, 4, 2, 42, 4, 3, 43, 4, 4, 44, 4, 5, 45, 4, 6, 46, 4, 7, 47, 4, 8, 48, 4, 9, 49, 5, 0, 50. So, we all should be thorough with numbers 1 to 50. If we know counting thoroughly, then only we will be able to do the concepts. हम अगर numbers को master कर लेंगे, बिल्कुल by heart याद कर लेंगे, तभी हम आगे के concepts अच्छे से कर पाएंगे. So we will start what comes in between 41 to 50. In between का मतलब होता है बीच में. Suppose this is a brush, this is a sketch pen and this is a pencil. Now tell me what I am holding in between brush and pencil. Brush और pencil के बीच में क्या चीज़ है? It is a sketch pen. If I shuffle it, now tell me. This is a sketch pen, brush and pencil. Now what is in between sketch pen and pencil? It is a brush. So अभी आपको समझ आ गया in between का मतलब बीच में. दो चीज़ों के बीच वाली चीज़ या दो नंबर्स के बीच वाला नंबर. जैसे कि ये नंबर 5 है और ये नंबर 7 है. तो 5 और 7 के बीच में एक नंबर आता है जो मिसिंग है. हमको वो काउंटिंग के थ्रू पता लगा के बताना है कि what comes in between 5 and 7. 5, 6, 7. So the number which comes in between 5 and 7 is number 6. Let's do it in the notebook. अब हम notebook में करके देखते हैं और आपको पता है कि हमको concepts को करने के लिए number line का help लेना होता है. Okay? We will revise number line once again and we will start what comes in between. You can see here children what comes in between 41 to 50. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है 41 to 50 what comes in between हम करेंगे और यहाँ पर number line है. number line के नीचे कुछ numbers लिखे हम quickly revise करते हैं. 4, 1, 41, 4, 2, 42, 4, 3, 43, 4, 4, 44, 4, 5, 45, 4, 6, 46, 4, 7, 47, 4, 8, 48, 4, 9, 49, 5, 0, 50. Now हमको two numbers को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. 4, 1, 41, 4, 3, 43 और दोनों को हमको नंबर लाइन में ढूंढ लेना है और अंडरलाइन करना है. The first number is 4, 1, 41. Here I got 4 1 41 and the second number is 4 3 43. 4 1 41, 4 2 42, 4 3 43. When I have underlined it, I'll put my finger on both and see both the numbers, and we'll see which number is coming in between. You can see 4 to 42. So we will write 4 to 42 in the blank space. Now this is 4 5 45 and this is 4 7 47. So we will look for 4 5 45 and 4 7 47. We'll put our fingers on both the numbers and see which number is coming in between. We can see this is 4 6 46. We will write here 4 6 46. Now this is 4 8 48 and here 5 0 50. हम पहले 48 को ढूंढेंगे और फिर 50 को दोनों पे अपनी फिंगर्स रखेंगे और देखेंगे इन दोनों के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है. Now we will look for 48 and 50 and जब हम वहाँ पर अपनी फिंगर्स रख देते हैं तो देखते हैं बीच में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है. 4 9 49. We will write here 4 9 49. Now this is 4 2 42 and this is 4 4 44. Let's look for 4 2 42 and 4 4 44. When I have put both my fingers on both the numbers, जब मैंने अपने फिंगर्स रख लिए दोनों नंबर पे, तो कौन सा नंबर इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच में दिखाई दे रहा है? That is 4 3 43. We will write 4 3 43 here. Okay, now this is 4 6 46 and this is 4 8 48. Let's look for number 46 and 48. Put our fingers on them and see which number is coming in between. That is 4 7 47. Let's put it here. 4 7 47. This is 4 4 44 and this is 4 6 46. Let's look for number 44 and 46 and put our fingers on them and see which number is coming in between. That is 4 5 45. We will write 4 5 45. Right? Now this is 4 3 43 and this is 45. We'll put our one finger on 43 and other finger on 45. कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है दोनों के बीच में? That is 4 4 44. We will write 4 4 44 and this is 47. This is 49. Look for 47 in the number line. I got it. And the other number was 49. दोनों नंबर ढूंढ के हमने अपनी फिंगर्स उनके नीचे रख ली हैं और अब देखेंगे कि 47 और 49 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आता है. What comes in between 47 and 49? That is 4 8 48. We will write number 4 8 48. See, we have done what comes in between. You keep doing it. कीप ट्राइंग. आपको आ जाएगा अगर आप नंबर लाइन का हेल्प लेके सॉल्व करेंगे. टेक केयर. कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग. कीप स्टडिंग. टेक केयर.